Hey, it's Eran here. You are watching this video because you probably sent me or someone else a cold message on Messenger or on Instagram or something like that. Now, I actually really appreciate when people even try, okay? So I just want to let you know that the reason I'm recording this video is because I actually get a lot of cold DMs, and in the past I used to just ignore them, and after a while I thought to myself, you know what? I preach to people about taking action to sell and market themselves and try launch a business online, and I don't want to hate on anybody doing cold DMs. However, the sad reality is the majority of the cold DMs that I get are just awful. They have spelling mistakes, they have messages which are clearly copy and paste, they misspell my name, they don't even say my name, indicating they're just copy paste messages that are just generic. They indicate that somebody has not done any homework about who I am, what I do, and what my challenges are. Offering me services that clearly I have no interest in, because if you look at my profile, you would know that I don't need any help with this stuff, right? So this is the majority of the cold DMs that I get. On the other hand, I really don't want to hate on the hustle, and I thought, you know what? Instead of responding to each one of these, when I get a DM that I'm like, look, I've got no interest in this, or it's a terrible one, I'm going to send this video and at least give you some tips on how to become better at this, because I really respect the hustle. I really do. Okay. It doesn't matter that I have to agree with the hustle, but I respect the hustle. So if you want, you can stick around. I will give you some tips on how to be better at your cold DMs. Now, I want to be also very straight up. I use cold DMs as a strategy myself. I use cold emails as a strategy myself. I make sales and partnerships from cold emails. So I'm not discouraging you from trying. In fact, I encourage you to try. I just want you to try and do a better job. So here are some of my tips. Number one, download a Chrome extension called Grammarly. It's going to help you with your spelling mistakes, okay? Write your DM on Google Doc first with the Grammarly Chrome extension installed so you don't have any typos. That's the first thing, okay? Point number two, please use the person's first name. Don't put their full name. Don't say hi dear. Don't say hello there. Approach them like a human. Their name is on the profile. Just don't be lazy and put their name. It will show you actually care. The next thing, if you are offering a service or a product, be upfront from the beginning. Don't just say, hey, how's it going? Just looking to connect. Look, all these conversations are wonderful. I know you're trying to build rapport. Honestly, you're wasting my time. You're wasting your time. For the most part. Maybe there are exceptions, okay? But I like to just be straight up. Hey, I'm messaging you because of ABC. You gotta pretend that you are on a cold phone call. Okay, and if you've ever done cold phone calls, which I have, you don't have time, okay? You don't have time. You literally got 5 seconds to get their attention. Pretend it's a phone call. You're gonna have a much better result doing it that way, okay? The next thing also is if you are sending a cold DM or cold email to a person, try to do a little bit of homework, because honestly, the cold DMs of just generic spamming, it gets really old. Don't be that person, okay? Actually do a bit of homework. Go to their profile. Look at the links that's there. See who they are. Find something that you actually like about them, something that resonates with you. At least you will get a more friendly reply. They may have no interest in working with you, but if somebody took the time to actually check out and say, hey, Eran, I saw that you have a software called confettipage.com. So, such a cool idea. Really like it. Reason for my message is tell me the reason, right? Wanted to know if this is something you might be interested in. That's it. That's all I need to know, okay? Now, I can tell you that I respond to cold DMs sometimes with, yeah, I'm interested, okay? Now, if I say I'm interested, don't mess it up. Give me the price. Tell me what's going on. Don't just offer me to hop on a Zoom call. I don't have time for you, okay? Now, might be different. Some people might like to hop on a Zoom call first. That's okay. That's their preference. But if you're dealing with a busy business owner, trust me, they don't have time for you. Give them the information straight. If they have interest, they'll let you know. Also, if you don't have a web page, something in writing you can share that explains your entire services or whatever it is you're offering, please set up a web page, okay? Now, if you can't afford a web page because you are not in that stage of your business, that's totally cool. Open up a Google Doc, share it. It's free. Open up a Google Doc, type up your sales page, what it is you offer, who you are, who you serve, what problem you solve, what your pricing, answer any frequently asked questions, what are the features, what are the benefits. Make our life easier to want to engage with you. When you make our life easier to engage with you, we don't mind getting cold emails typically, okay? If we're in the market for a service, trust me, we'll invest, okay? And if we don't, well, we're the wrong person anyway, okay? So that's my tips for you. I hope you found this helpful. And if you are getting this video from someone else, not me, it's probably because they are a bit fed up with getting cold emails or cold messages, which are just dumb, stupid, and unnecessary and unhelpful. So take this video as positive and helpful feedback and thank the person for wanting to educate you and share some value with you, despite the fact that maybe your message was either inappropriate or badly done or whatever it is, okay? Now, this video is not applicable to obviously spam emails or spam messages, of which people do exist like that, who literally are trying to rip people off, steal their password information, and things along these lines. If you accidentally got this video and you're one of these people, I really hope that karma is going to catch up to you faster than ever. Then I know that it will, because I trust that will happen. And I really urge you to stop trying to scam people, because that is not an honest way to live. So if you watched this video thus far, thanks a lot for watching. If you actually like this video and find value in this, and you're not one of those people who do cold emails, then feel free to share this video whenever you get a cold email or cold DM. This is going to be really helpful to actually clean up the marketplace from garbage, okay? So please feel free to share this video as much as you like. And if you are watching this video because you sent the cold message, cold DM, and you're like, hey, this was actually helpful, you know what? Somewhere around here, I have another video for you. It's called Traffic, and it's a pitch-free training video on how to get more traffic and do a better job with lead generation, how to find customers. It's over a 30-minute training video, and there is literally zero pitch in it. It is just a completely free educational video on how to get more traffic. So if that's of interest to you and you actually enjoy this video, go ahead and check out some extra stuff that I have on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and that's about it. If you send it to me to my message and I happen to block you or something like that, please don't take it personal. It's not personal. I'm just very protective of my time, and that's why I recorded this one video, to be able to just tell you what I want to tell you, share some value, and end it here. So that's about it. Thanks all for watching. If you are interested in more, there's a video somewhere around here if you're watching this on my YouTube channel. That's about it. Thanks a lot.